September 3rd, 8 a.m. Eastern. According to the currency analytics, Bitcoin could drop to $53,800. September has been a historically challenging month for Bitcoin, and the current trends suggest that it could face more difficulties. Analysts predict that if the negative trend continues, Bitcoin's price could drop to around $53,800. However, this period of potential weakness could also present buying opportunities as the market often rebounds in the final quarter of the year, especially in October and November, which have historically been stronger months for Bitcoin investors. The Bitcoin Ape is prepared for Bitcoin to drop to $48,850. BTFD and HODL in September. My prediction is Bitcoin will end the year between $69,000 and $72,000.